this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video from Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I am using this cut file. Now, I am following a layout that is from day number 4. It's the Scrap Squad, the 12 days of autumn scrap lifts. And this particular person, I am not sure who it is, but I will link the picture down below just for you to, or link, in the description to let you know where I got it from. And so what it is that it's like it's got like a half a piece of paper, and then it's cut. So I'm going to cut this in half and put it, and then the photos are of my daughter. It is her day at, I think I'll probably go like this and kind of tuck it like so, and then you can see that. But it is on her honors day at Freedom Park. It's the last honors day program that she did at Freedom Park. And I am using the kit from the scrap room, and it is Simple Stories Into the Wild. So I thought, even though that it's got all these little animals and stuff, it fits her personality, and these colors match all the florals and everything that's on the page. So I am going to link it up there, the sketch that I'm going to do. Obviously, I'll link this bad boy down in the description so that you can purchase it from Confessions. And let's see what I can do with it. Okay, so what I'm going to do with the cut file is I'm going to cut it in half. And that way I can tuck it underneath my, underneath what the sketch looks like. So as you can tell on the layout of the one that they are doing for the scraplift for the Scrap Squad, is that there's a colored, like a pattern paper on one side, and then they went completely white. Because I am using a red background and I have a red heart, I wanted to tie in that red a little bit more, so I needed to be, and I could not put, as you could tell, it's too much tone on tone, right? So that's why I come in with this paper of this collection, and I'm adding the stripes going down one way and then my horizontal, and it comes together really, really nice. I know it may look like a lot of pattern on pattern, and I know that for a lot of you guys are like, nope, not doing this, but watch this process. It comes together really, really well. And this is just super easy to do. All you do is just cut down the papers to exactly how you want it, and it comes out right. And so I just made sure that the glue or the ATG tape that I have, I left just enough so that I could tuck that in there so it doesn't move. So in the layout that they're scrap lifting for this day, you can tell that they have a bunch of cut files that are kind of tucked. So instead of me doing all those littles, I wanted this one to kind of mimic it a little bit. So you'll see how I put my photos on the one side so that you still see the cut file, but yet the focus is on both. So I actually made the focus on both. Once it gets done and we get started, after all, I do my doodling. Y'all know I love my doodling. You will see that the photos are on one side and the cut file is on the other, and I tie them together. So it doesn't look like it's two separate. It's an extension of the photos. So where the other part of the heart would have been now my photos. So I decided my title is going to be Brave, and I just tie it together. I make it match, and it comes together oh so nicely. And I know that this one is one of those layouts that could have been more of a babyish layout if you wanted to. And I made it more of, obviously, a 4th grader. Because these were my daughter's 4th grade honors day. I've done a couple of the photos that were at the school because Josh was able to go, because unfortunately the day that I had my honors day for my students was the exact same day that it was my daughter's 4th grade honors day program. So I couldn't make it, but Daddy was. So that worked out perfect for us. and whatnot. So now this year it'll be nice because she's at my school, so we'll be able to, you know, make it work a little bit. I should be able to find somebody to watch my kiddos for a hot second while I go and do hers during 5th grade and still be able to partake in mine. So yeah, that worked out wonderful. So here I am. I'm just putting all these things together. It's like be adventurous. I kind of gave a map and a camera and just documented all these little pieces. I'm backing up the phone. I don't do anything. I will tell you the only thing I did to this cut file was essentially cut it out and put a little bit of foam on the leafy strips that you see and then let it be. I do come in and show the, I think at the end, I'll add my thread to my cut file. And yeah, so I really love this. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. This leafy heart was amazing. I love it. It's an oldie but a goodie. And go ahead and check that out. I will link that down below, and I'll link down the Scrap Squad. They are doing 12 days of, they did 12 days of autumn scrap lifts. So I've been doing them throughout the month when I've been adding my layouts. So they're kind of spread out, but you can definitely go check all of their scrap lifts as well. All of that will be linked down below, along with all of the other goodness that I have. I can't believe it. I am almost done with college. I'm so excited. I am literally about 5 weeks away. I am just happy. Like, I can't wait. Fran and I can't wait. And I'm done. So here I come in at the end. I do come in with the Shimmers paints, the gold Shimmers paints. And I do also come in with my white paint stick. And I just go to town on the coloring. I just love how this added just a little bit of extra touch to that page, along with my gold splatter. So I mimic it I split it up. And the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I upload between 2 to 3 times a week. And here are the still shots. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.